60% of Kenyans do some sort of farming. Even the people in this room. Everybody here is some sort of a farmer. So the bottom-up economic model is basically about access to capital in the private sector, expanding the market, and making sure that if all the farmers increase their productivity, there will be a market for the people in the corporate world. If we make sure that the 80%, Caro said, of the people in the micro and small small enterprise, if we increase their productivity and increase their income, they will also become a market for the people in the manufacturing sitting in this room, the people in all the other spaces sitting in this room, and that increased productivity